Hi there. It's just been brought to my attention that I apparently never did a video on the volume sliver. So I'm just going to run through that quickly enough. So I'll go to the settings here. Oh, in the background, I have the market analyzer up and I'm showing today's volume right here. This is live market. It's right there. And so I have the sliver. It's on a day. So I'm going to come here just to show the number anyway. So go to indicators. And let's put this out of the way here a little bit. Come to the settings. So you can see here the period that I have set right now is for day, and that's why it's displaying the bigger number up here. So you have your minimum volume and your maximum volume that you like. Well, obviously my max volume is 999, so obviously it's bigger than that. So I'd have to throw on a couple bigger numbers in order to exceed that. But the moral of the story is let's just bring it down to a more natural level. So let's just go do, um, let's say like a 15-minute chart, pretty common. And let's apply that. And so now you say you're in the green. So let's say if you don't want anything under 400 and you don't want anything under or anything above 3,000, then it's going to go red because we're over 3,000. Oh, well, no, we're not. All right, let's go 2,000. So now we're going to go red because we're under the 2,000 mark. And obviously, if we're under, so anytime you get a new bar change, you're going to be under 400 for a brief second um, until it flips over. So I trade, I'm trading a 13.2 is one of the things I like. I don't really care about minutes so much, but I like the Ninja Rankos. But I want a bigger one. So let's say you do a 40.10. I think that's a common one. Let's do a 40.10. And again, 400, I'll go standard. And so now you could see that this slice of volume on this 4010 bar at this point in time, we're 1,000 contracts in volume, so we're good to go according to our records or according to our numbers here. So you have to kind of find out what the lucky number is for that, for what depending on what you're looking for. But that's where it is. We're in our range, and if it falls under or goes over these numbers, then it's going to go red again, or any color you decide to change, but it defaults to that. You can move it around, if you want to move it anywhere, it's fine. If you want to change the font, you can do all that. That's it. That's about it. There's really nothing more to say. If you change your range, if you do a second chart, I mean, you can really kind of go, I mean, I don't know who trades that scalping wise, but you're probably going to be in a 1 minute chart. Well, okay, I guess you are over 400 already. So again, I don't know what the number would be for that volume, but if you want to see what the volume is at any given time, that's what the volume sliver is all about. Okay, I hope this helps. Thanks.